In a very surprising recent turn of events, we now have word that Elon Musk is going to be revisiting and meeting with the Commerce Minister from India as soon as next week. So today we're going to review the reports that India has pulled out all the stops to propose a very compelling offer to Tesla. They've apparently decided to ease regulations and drastically reduce their import tax rate for automakers from initially 100% to now 15%. Is this really even a possibility? After Elon very clearly said at the most recent earnings call that now's not the time to talk about building new Giga factories. So we have Larry Goldberg with us. He's a serial entrepreneur, longtime investor in Tesla. He and I have been having these discussions, and just curious, Larry, what your thinking is. Let me go ahead and report on what is happening, and then I'll get your feedback. So this is the Indian Commerce Minister is going to meet with Elon, and it's Piyush Goyal. He's actually the highest profile person that he's met beyond after, of course, he met with the Prime Minister Modi. And the discussion, this is what's it's interesting for me. They're still discussing plans to set up an Indian factory manufacturing a $24,000 car, sourcing components, establishing charging infrastructure across the country. So this is truly a gigafactory and more. They talked about a new policy that they're going to have to, basically they bowed down, because this is why the conversation stopped, because India was still very much being protectionist. They wanted to have huge import taxes. They finally bowed down. So what's your thinking there, Larry?
India is the next China. India has a growth opportunity. It's going to be a more salubrious environment for us, for Tesla, for American entrepreneurship, for founders than China. India is ultimately a capitalist country. It used to be a socialist country. It has become a capitalist country. Finest engineering in the world. I have a lot of experience and a lot of history in India. I believe that country is the future, center of engineering and opportunity. And I think that this is a great move for Tesla. I predicted some time ago, over a year ago, that India was the next and the best opportunity for the next great manufacturing center for Tesla, and I believe that remains true today.
Yeah.
First it was Apple, now it's Elon Musk's Tesla. Elon's ambitious plan is soon going to be a dream come true for all Indians. India has become the new hotspot for popular brands to make their mark in the country. This breakthrough comes after Musk decided to diversify beyond China. Despite initial hiccups between Musk and the center, Tesla has decided to set up its new plant in the country. But the journey was not easy, especially after Musk's initial concern about higher import taxes on EV vehicles. Tesla held a series of meetings with Indian officials on various topics, including building cars locally. And that's not all. Tesla also wants to build a battery plant in India. Tesla first set up its shop in China and went on to spread its tentacles to the United States as well. The car maker produces 2,200 units of cars per week. Cut to the current situation in India. The major attraction for Tesla's entry in the country is because of EV's push in India. India is actively promoting the adoption of EV vehicles to reduce air pollution. With its entry into the Indian market, it could offer attractive options to both Center and Tesla.
And it looks like that India is really, really wanting this to happen. So just a little bit more context. This is news that came out very quickly as well. So in addition to that meeting, it looks like that India is going to fast track approvals for Tesla by January 2024. And we're talking a couple months from now. So they're saying that they're working on providing all the required approvals in a couple months. The Prime Minister's office held a meeting with their top officials, and then they basically decided that electric vehicle manufacturing is critical to their business, They looked at Tesla's investment proposal. And then it says here, the agenda of the meeting was centered on general policy matters, fast-tracking approvals by January 2024 for Tesla's proposed investment. So it feels like they basically met and they go, so guys, we need to have Tesla here. Let's just do it. Let's make it happen. And then Elon is coming to visit. Do you think that there's going to be an announcement? It's just weird to me that there will be. There won't be an announcement, Larry. There won't be. After he just made a big deal about not going full bore on Giga Mexico. So I find this weird.
As I think about it, I would strongly prefer an Indian factory than a Mexican factory. So if you think about Mexico, what are the advantages of Mexico? It's labor cost, right? Well, if you think about the coming of Optimus, what is labor going to be as a factor of manufacturing? Within 3 years, Optimus is going to be the labor component of manufacturing. So how much are we going to gain in Mexico? Truly, that we couldn't have in Texas. Now, on the other hand, India is a gigantic market. A gigantic market. You can't support that market from the United States, and India will not accept supporting that market from China. So how do you support that market? And by the way, it's not just India. It's the whole of, the whole of Indo-Pacific. That we're not going to be trading in China. So I think this is a natural move. I think this is an ideal move. And, I don't want to compete between India and Mexico. I think they're different considerations. Mexico is all about the US market. India is all about the Indian market. And the Indian market, is billions of people who are, reaching into the first world at an incredibly rapid pace. I mean, this is, India is the next China.
I've created a website that is the most comprehensive resource for the Tesla investor. Please check it out. Simply go to my website at herbertong.com. The compact car is perfect for that. That seems like what they are going to focus on. Still shocking. Okay, there's going to be a meeting. I just think that India just bowed down and they said, we'll do whatever you need for us to do. And so enough to convince Elon to visit. That's significant for him to visit. So very interesting. Great comments, great advice, and your thinking is fantastic, Larry. Thank you for that. Follow Larry on X at Tesla Larry. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.